Hi, welcome to Fratello InnoTech, your ultimate destination for learning latest technologies.
Hello everyone, welcome to today's session. Today we are going to understand a very important concept in technology, API. So API stands for Application Programming Interface, and don't worry if it sounds complex. By the end of this video, you will understand it in simple way. So let's talk about API now. How it works. API is a bridge between two software applications that allows them to communicate with each other. So one application sends a request and the API process it, then returns a response. So API helps systems talk to each other and without exposing their internal logics. So here now let's understand how API actually work using this diagram. So here you can see that on the left side we have the client. So we have client, and this can be a mobile app or website or any application used by the user. So when a user performs an action like clicking a button or searching something, the client sends a request to API using HTTP protocol. So here in the middle we have API, so which acts like a bridge or messenger, and it receives the request from the client. Whatever the client sends the request, so it receives the request and then forward it to the server. It also makes sure everything it's structured or secure. And here we have server on the right side. We have server and the database. The server processes the request and it may fetch or update data from the database. So then it prepares the result. So now in the response flow, so after processing the server, so server send the result back to the API after processing. So an API returns response to the client. So this response is usually in the format like JSON and XML. So here let's match the steps shown in the diagrams. So client sends a request to the API, and the API sends to the server for processing, and the API returns the response back to the client. So in simple terms, API acts as a middleman between the client and server, so handling the request and delivering the responses smoothly. So without APIs, apps cannot talk to each other. API make modern applications possible. So this is all about API. So API acts as an interface between two software applications. So thank you.
Thank you for watching the video. Please like the video and subscribe the channel for live updates. Please visit www.fratelloinitech.com for more courses.